Alright, I'll just mix a bit of this color. Now's my chance, while she's distracted. This apple looks so delicious. I bet it's sweet and juicy. Huh? What the heck? How is she holding an apple? Ah! Ah! She's onto me! Ah! My nails look amazing.
Getting the right skill is tricky. But it's fun.
Yeah, sure. What is that?
It's my ship.
Whatever. Let me focus on my nails.
That's fine. I need to finish this. Oh no! My pencil! And I don't have a sharpener. Oh, what'll I do now?
What's wrong?
My pencil snapped and I can't sharpen it.
Take this.
Oh, okay. How does that feel?
No! Use it on your pencil.
Oh, right. I see. I'll run the pencil over the nail file. It's working. Look! Now I can finish my drawing.
I told you!
I have an idea. I'll draw you.
Wait, I've been working on some poses. How's that?
Awful. Oh, I know. Go over there.
Okay. Ready?
That's more like it.
I feel so glamorous.
Put your hand on your head.
Like this?
That's it. Wonderful.
How much longer?
Hey!
I'm awake.
What do you think?
Yeah. Good effort.
This is my best work yet. This is fun.
Okay, roll them!
Aw, I lost.
Woohoo! It's my turn to spin! I wonder what we'll get. Ooh, a surprise!
Whoa!
There's so many things to choose from! Oh, I thought it was candy. What is it?
You use it to draw.
Ah, got you! Like this? It's fun! What do you think?
Okay. Use it like this. It'll make a spiral. All you have to do is move the pen. The circles do the rest. I could do this all day. It looks so cool. Okay, let's try a different color. See? It's creating a different pattern. I don't need these anymore. Now that looks good. Whoa!
It's so hypnotic.
Ashley? Are you okay? Yoo-hoo! Hey, snap out of it! I know! This might be loud! Ugh. This has to work! Seriously? I'm all out of ideas. Oh, this feather might be handy. Wakey wakey!
Achoo! What happened? Oh yeah, my pretty circles!
They look great.
Can I spin the wheel?
No.
Huh, we've got a piece of paper. Oh! Something's happening! Here comes the magic again! Look! It's an ice cream cone! How cute! It looks pretty tasty, too. I wish I had a real ice cream cone. Ooh, no kidding! Hey, let me see that over here. This'll be a fun one. Aw, no hands again? That's a huge bummer. Okay, I've got my one hand and a paintbrush. Ready to dab it into the paint. I think I'll start with red. Gonna paint this ice cream. Gonna have a good time. I'm just adding different colors and dots on my picture. I've got red, yellow, blue, and mostly white. And now I'm gonna add some water and let them blend together. Look at her doing all the painting over there. I better get started. Guess there's nothing to do but use my mouth. I could totally do this like this. Okay, just gotta start adding some dots on this paper. I need some of this color now, too. Maybe I'll add some of this color here. Oh no! This is just turning out terribly. Well, I guess this is what I came up with. Ta-da! At least it's colorful. I've got that going for me anyway. I'm done with my ice cream cone too. See? The blending technique I used turned out great. I love it. Whoa! It turned into a real ice cream! Just like we were hoping it would. Looks so much like the ice cream cone I painted too. Time to give this a taste. I hope it's good. It is. It's very good. I bet you're wishing you had an ice cream.
This looks so cute. Matthew will love it. Oh. Maybe not. I'll need to fix it. Great. I don't have an eraser. It's fine. There'll be one in my pencil case. Where is it? I know I have one. Hold on. Psst. Gina, can I use your eraser, please? Sure. Here you go. Oops. Hey, you. Thanks. I appreciate it. Just what I need. Matthew still has it. I'll go see him. He'll be so surprised. Phew. Matthew lives far away. At least I don't need a shower later. I should have brought a jacket. I can't wait to see him. What? You look so pretty today. I don't believe it! And with my eraser! This is the worst! Stupid Matthew! How could he? I'm never gonna give him my eraser again! What am I gonna do? Gina, how long have you been there? Use the sharpener. How? Wait a minute. I've got it! Thanks! I should have thought of this earlier. I'll start by flipping the sharpener over. Then I'll cover the underside of the sharpener with glue. I'll fill it all the way to the top. Now to let it set. That should do it. The glue will erase the pencil. It's working perfectly! Now to finish my drawing. Huh? I thought I could help. And I got you this. Aw, it's so cute! I'm sorry. That! Wait, what's that? Oh! It looks so cuddly! There's a tiny giraffe, too! This one's mine. Aww. Okay, I guess this little guy's mine. Heh, my giraffe is much better. Okay, don't move. I need to draw you. So far, so good. What are you doing? I'm examining the giraffe. Oh, good idea. I wonder how Justin's doing. Pretty realistic, isn't it? I'm gonna call him Jerry. It doesn't look like a giraffe. This is gonna be tricky. It's all about getting the right scale. Hang on. I have an idea. I'll place my hand like this and then draw around it. I'll add a face. And now it's a giraffe. Let's color it in. This brown is the perfect color. And I can color the rest yellow. Careful. I don't want to make any mistakes now. Now for the neck. That's it. I'm glad I thought of that. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. I'm sorry, Jerry. You can have this. Thank you.